Hey guys, it's Ricardo. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have a cool unboxing of this smartphone. And the smartphone in question here is the Alcatel One. And you can see the preview here. This is the black version that's shown here. We also have this in white. The version seen here is the white version. So let's run you through the box as to what's inside. Now of course, this particular sticker is a promotional offer, so this will not be on the regular version. But however, on the other side here, you can see some of the main features. And this is a basic phone. You get a 5-inch display, 18.9 aspect ratio, 8 megapixel back camera, and a 5 megapixel front camera. It also supports LTE and Cat4. And of course, it runs Android. And of course, this is the Go edition. Now, if you look at the back of the device right here, you can see more details. It gives you the some more information, basically the same. It gives you a bunch of stuff such as the processor, the LED flash that's built in, 8 gigabytes of storage, 1 gigabyte of RAM, and of course there's a 2000 milliamp hour battery. And of course it comes with Android Oreo, and as I said, it's the Go edition. And I assume here that the Go edition is just a portable or scale down edition to run very fast on these devices. And of course there is this logo here, and on the other side some personal information that I don't want to show. So I'm just going to open this up guys, and of course you can see the phone right here. It's just a repeat of what was on the front. I'm going to put this aside, and of course if I prop this up, you can see here a bunch of stuff, and I'm just going to show you these one at a time. You have the adapter brick. Here you have the USB cable along with the wall outlet, standard English, well, this is not the English but the US standard outlet connector, type connector. Put this aside, and of course you do get some other cool stuff in the package, including this quick start guide here, and it's in a different language. I'm going to put this aside. Also you have the battery. I've already kind of opened this up to get this working. The gift that was included in this is a special. You will not get this in every version. And of course you do get these nice headsets. This comes standard. And of course again guys, we have some other stuff over here. You do get a cool screen protector. That's always nice. And of course there is your user manual right here that says basically shows you the quick functionality of the device. You can run through and figure out how to use your device. As you can see, your contacts, messaging, help, and on the back here it does run you through the basic setup and all that. So without further ado, let's put this aside and take all of this and slide it out of the way guys, and we're going back to the phone. As I said, I've kind of set this up already, so let's go over the device. If you can see here, this is the white edition. You have the front facing camera, which we read off the package. There is the speaker or headset here that you listen through. And of course down here you notice the base. Along the side you have the power button. I like that it has this pattern or textured pattern here. It makes it quite easier to identify the power button, and of course it gives you a firm grip. And of course it's the volume up and down. At the top here you see the headphone jack, and of course a mic there. On the back here you see the Alcatel branding, and of course along with the flash and the rear camera. And of course these cameras work fine as long as the lighting in the room is good. In low light it doesn't perform very well. At the base here you have another mic along with the charge port, and that's it. Basically the other side is blank, and I've already powered up. So let me just hit the power button right here, and you can see the icon, default, everything. And let's just open up, slide up, and you hear that cool animation on lock. And that must be basically that's a very nice touch. I like that. And here we go. You can see the menus. You have the gallery, and you have the front camera, and that's me guys. Hey, and let's just flip this around. I'm just gonna exit again. Back to the camera guys. As you can see, the camera works quite fine, and as long as it's actually good lighting conditions, you should be fine. Lighting is not bad right now in the room, but as you see it works quite nicely. And the options on screen, you have the quick access options up here. I can tap and you see various options here, or filters. I can go back. I can also activate HDR or high dynamic range. I can tap and I can get a bunch of features and this is nice. I can do time-lapse, light trace, social, and all of that. So I'm just going to exit that. I'm going to look at some of the other apps. Here you have Assistant, and I think that's a Google Assistant. There's a calculator. You can set this up. I'm not going to do it right now. You also have the calendar, the camera, Chrome browser, clock, contacts, downloads, file to go. There is some other branding stuff. There's a gallery, Gmail, and of course Google on the go, Facebook Lite, maps, messaging, phones, and you even have a built-in radio. And you scroll down, you can see YouTube Go, SIM toolkit, all of that, support center, and your settings. Let's look at the settings, guys. And of course, this is the settings. You'll notice that you have your battery information and all that, and a bunch of settings. Basically, standard setup for a phone like this. So if you're interested in this device, guys, I'll put a full link in the description. I may also do a review. Just let me know if you're interested in that. But overall, I must say it's a nice standard phone for a starter phone. It does have very nice features. It supports your memory card and a small SIM card. I think it's a nano SIM, and everything that you would need to actually operate a phone. And it's a very nice little phone and great as a starter device. It does everything. You can put on your apps, you can install and uninstall stuff. It doesn't have a lot of storage, but in the end it does work quite nicely. I must say I like this device and think it's a nice affordable budget device that I highly recommend. Alright guys, so as you know, this is Ricardo from Block Tech Tips. You know the regular trend, guys. Let's go ahead and hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and of course subscribe. This is Ricardo from Block Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.